Hello. Today I'm going to be cooking country fried steak. First things first, I need to wash my hands. Today I'm making country fried steak. The steak that I'm using is called cube steak. Cube steak is a tenderized piece of beef. The beef is battered with eggs, flour, and breadcrumbs, and then once it's cooked, it's covered in gravy. So the first step I need to do is preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Next I need to spray the baking pan with cooking spray so the steak doesn't stick. Next I need to mix the eggs. And then wash my hands. Now I need to mix the eggs. Now I need to pour in flour and the breadcrumbs. So the next step is called dredging. First you want to cover the steak in flour so that the egg sticks to the steak. Then you want to dip the steak into the eggs so the breadcrumbs stick to the steak. And I would recommend washing your hands after every steak because your hands do get dirty. And then once you're done breading the steak, put it in your dish. So once your steaks are breaded, you need to put the steaks in the oven for 30 minutes. So while the steak is cooking, you need to cook your gravy and mashed potatoes. You want to cook your mashed potatoes first because the gravy requires constant stirring. So you want to bring 2 cups of water and a tablespoon of butter to a boil. So once you've gotten the water to a boil, you need to add 1.5 cups of instant mashed potatoes. Once you've done that, you need to add 1/2 cup of milk. And then mix. So for your gravy, you need to boil 1.5 cups of water, and then mix your gravy mix in 1/2 cup of water here. And this is cold water. So once this is mixed, you need to pour it into the boiling water. Now that you've done that, you need to whisk the gravy constantly until it's thick. So now that the timer's gone off, you need to make sure that the steak is cooked. So the way that you can tell is it's golden and crispy around the edges and the juices are rising up out of the center. So this is my finished product. I put cucumber salad on the side and the gravy over the steak and the mashed potatoes.